Adding a testimonial slider to your Shopify store can be a great way to showcase customer reviews and build trust with potential customers. To get started, you will need to have a Shopify store and a collection of customer testimonials. First, you need to create a new page in your Shopify store where you will add the testimonial slider. To do this, go to the Shopify admin panel and click on the Online Store section. Then click on Pages and finally click on the Add Page button. Next, you need to choose a testimonial slider app from the Shopify App Store. There are many different options to choose from, so take some time to browse through the apps and find one that fits your needs. Once you have installed the app, you will need to configure the settings to match your store's design and layout. This may include choosing the color scheme, font style, and layout of the slider. After configuring the settings, you will need to add your customer testimonials to the app. This can usually be done by copying and pasting the text into the app, or by uploading a CSV file if you have a large number of testimonials. Finally, you will need to add the testimonial slider to your new page. This can usually be done by clicking on the Add Section button and selecting the testimonial slider app from the list of available sections. Best practices for using a testimonial slider on your Shopify store include keeping the design simple and clean, using high-quality images, and making sure the testimonials are genuine and from real customers. By following these steps, you can add a testimonial slider to your Shopify store and start showcasing your customer reviews to potential customers. This can be a great way to build trust and increase sales. And with the right app and configuration, it can be a valuable addition to your store.